Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
हे मॅटर अमित तन फायल केल्ले जुलयान अगेन्स्ट 2 MLA मिस्टर लोबो आणि मिस्टर कामत ते मॅटर आज आशिल्ले. Today once again the respondent sought time. We said that this is getting delayed. Take the hearing as early as possible. So the speaker was agreeable to take early hearing and has now fixed it on Friday, that is 17 at 5 p.m.
So this is the second time. No, again time magla, short time magla.
They have short time. Yes.
It's the third time. Our lawyer has told the speaker that every now and then this is getting delayed. Basically 3 महिन्या भितर हे petition dispose of करपाचे असता, but every time they come asking for time. So we said, okay, this time if you are give a very short notice, but make sure the argument happens.
The speaker काहीतरी प्रेशरान काम करतो किती असं ते.
The speaker was kind enough to give a very short date. He was in fact asking for tomorrow, but then I think the other lawyer was not there, so it is kept on Friday 5 o'clock for final hearing. So we have requested the speaker that no further extension should be given and the matter should be argued.